Hello, and welcome to Illuminate Live, the video bulletin designed to help you master the tools and methodologies of virtual collaboration. Today, we are going to talk about the participant interface. In order to successfully complete a session using Illuminate Live, it is necessary that participants have a good understanding of all the tools offered through the participant interface. So today, we're going to talk about the participant window, the chat window, the audio window, and the whiteboard window. To begin, let's discuss some of the icons found at the top left-hand corner of your Illuminate Live screen. This icon allows you to save. This one allows you to print. This one allows you to alter the layout of your Illuminate Live session. This allows you to share applications. This is for file transferring. And this one is to create notes. Now let's discuss the participant window. This whole section right here is known as the participant window. In the participant window, all of the members of the Illuminate Live session will be displayed. So for instance, the participants and the moderators. And if you click on the name, you'll be able to see their profile appear to the right of their name. Below the participant window, you will see the different emotions that participants can convey during an Illuminate Live session. So for instance, here a participant can raise their hand if they for some reason have a question, and then the moderator will call on them and attempt to answer their question. Here a participant can show happiness or laughter and approval. Here confusion or disapproval. Here the participant can applaud. Or here, a thumbs down for disapproval. Over here on the right, we have two icons that are used when a moderator decides to conduct a poll. And the first one is a yes, or in other words, you agree with the question in the poll. Or here, a no, or you disagree. Finally, this third icon here allows us to show that we have stepped away from the Illuminate Live session, whether that's because you went to grab a cup of coffee or something from the printer. You can indicate that you are no longer at your computer by selecting this button, and it will appear here that you are away. Below the participant window, you will find the chat window, so this entire area here. The chat window simply allows you to communicate with others in the Illuminate Live session in a chat format instead of an audio format. So for instance, I could choose to say something and send that, and because I had it sent to the entire room, every participant in the room will be able to see my message. This icon here, the eye, allows you to understand that the moderator is monitoring all chat messages that are exchanged between participants. So for instance, if I chose to send a message only to selected participants, the moderator could still see that message that I sent because I can see the eye here. That means that they're watching. Next, we move on to the audio window, and the audio window is this whole area here. In the audio window, you can simply adjust your microphone. So for instance, by choosing this button, you can then start talking into the Illuminate Live session. And so here in the microphone, you want to see mostly green, like I have here. If you see a lot of yellow and a lot of red like that, it means that you need to adjust your level. And so you just move it over until you just see mostly green. The same thing happens with the speakers, so what you're hearing. If you need to, reduce that level, that volume level, you can, or you may increase it depending on your actual needs. Finally, we move to the whiteboard window, and that is this whole area here. To the left of the whiteboard, you have the whiteboard toolbar or tools palette, and those are just items that allow you to write on the whiteboard or upload images or presentations to the whiteboard. We hope that you have found this edition of Triumph to be very helpful. We hope that it will foster virtual collaboration within our region.